1, 2, 3, win! Kasi nga yung palagi si
nagka-sunlight.
Back up! Nice shot! Push!
Number 8 hitting the ball. Look for Cooper. Watch for nobody.
Sige, wala. One stop.
One ball. Number 5, number 12, Web to 21. Will make it for scored pass. Web, no good rebound by 23. Long rebound from 23.
Yan.
Black boy.
Baba nyo.
Number 15, Bev. Number 12. Tumatake. Leia, no good.
Kaya, friend.
19. Good defense from number 15, Bev. 10 ball.
Nice, Carl. Kuya Mac.
Score 4-0. Racing Salt.
Fitness.
Bev 15 to number 12. Number 12 for play. Umikot, we have a whistle. Number 10, foul.
Ako. TJ.
Ito daw.
Hey!
Bev, ang ganda ng inbound. Wala. Service from number 5. Number 8 to number 4. From the 12 to get one ball.
Uy,
Gagay, babakay!
25, zigzagging to number 12. Pinasa kay 21. For 2 points.
Baba, Carl, baba!
Bev anticipated the pass. One hand layup for 2 points. Score 4-all. Number 8 to 19, Nino umatake, pumasa sa corner. There's no goal. Rebound by 23. Nagmamadali. Side step. Wala. Recover by number 5. Number 5 umatake. When set slow down. 23 to number 12. To Bev, number 15. Cross court part, number 5 for 3 points. 3 points.
And one.
Substitution. Substitution.
Gitna mo, Ern.
19 out.
14.
Sino sayap? Ayan. Bossing Junior. Pair number 15, sumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Oyo. Number 8. Number 8. Starting left. 3 ball. Wala. Rebound. Oh, foul ground. Number 10. Yeah.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul. Number 10. Substitution. Number 10 out, 13 in.
2 points, 2 fouls.
13 foul, basic foul.
Ito, may bago pala kayo rin ito. Diba kasama sa sumunod ha?
2 points, 112 for 2 points.
Kaya nga, may oras pa kami. Laro, laro! Jaka!
Defense na.
Blocking. Dalawa, Earn.
Tatakbo yung oras bro. Maraming yata yung na-start na yung sa tanggo. Tama ba?
Running time.
Sapa.
Kahit nag-free throw. Diba? Running time kahit nag-free throw.
1 point kami, 1 point. Okay, 1 point tayo.
Basta 9-5 na yan.
Nice.
Dalawa.
Plus 2.
Nice, James!
Door guy ko. Tapos yung kabila yung sunod.
Ano pa?
Yung nanalo kanina. Sina Crowley. Saka yung...
Cut!
Nice!
Defense!
Gula, number 5. Pinasa kay number 4. We have a whistle.
Tatlo!
Offensive, number 12.
Tatlo.
Isa pa lang.
Dalawa. Yung kanina.
Tama, dalawa kasi yung kanina number 12.
Be up, let's go! Stop! One stop! Ilalim na, Earn! Ulay! Sino? Who's foul? Ay!
Substitution.
Time out, time out.
Time out, time out.
Time out.
Yan na.
Dang. Dang!
Next one. One stop. Huwag na, huwag na. Mamaya na lang. Walang time out. Walang time out. Cancel. Mamaya na lang.
Cancel. Number 3 to number 15. Back to number 3.
Oh, trouble!
3, matake. Hesitant move. Alahoy shot. Good ball, no ball. No ball. Carry on.
Time out, time out, time out, time out.
James.
Sabi ni Nick, oh, ikaw naman sunod. Sabi ko, kung batagpon mo, diba?
Number 5 to number 23. Good fake from number 12. 15. Missing the side shot. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Nice.
Ilan?
Number 8. Wow. Warning penalty. Baseball.
Abol! Nice shot, Allen.
Gula, number 5, 3 points, wala. Number 2 to 13,
Mamaya ka next. Harap! Ilalim mo!
to bed, number 15, dribbling the ball. Back to Torres. Torres, nasa 21, 2 points.
Oh, yun.
Number 5, second personal foul. Bonus shot.
Nice pass.
Nice pass! Para! Earn, ingat, earn.
Torres, 21, 1 dribble, 1 fake. Agawan. Number 8. Ran out of space.
Nice catch, Coach Mobs.
Alam mo ang buhay, parang life.
Parang life lang, no?
Back to Torres.
Demonyo gaming.
Torres to 21. Back to Torres. Torres is fake to move. To back to number 5, Gula. Gula, step back 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. 24, attacking. Faking. Jump, no good. Rebound by
Labas!
14. There's a foul.
It's alright.
Time out Warriors.
Coach Mobs.
Okay lang. Intense.
Intensity. Phenomenality.
Okay, back to the ball game. Score 18-15. Bristol by 3 points.
James, pasok mo dalawa.
James! Dalawa lang.
Picture ka, James.
Bang!
Isa pa.
Hindi na konti, nakapicture ka.
Smile! Yun! Aling hip switch pa yan. Ay, kaling basic stone pa yan.
minimum lang yun.
21. Turning around.
Stop.
1.5 foul.
Stop.
Substitution, 5 out. Third personal foul, number 5.
Jonathan, nakita mo ng free.
Number 24, number 3 points. Wala, rebound by number 15. Torres.
Nice!
Double team,
Hindi!
no foul.
Jaka, James. Lapa.
Lobo, 1 rebound to
Uy, nice! Ate!
21. Wow, and that step kinanan no good. Rebound by number 14. That's number 8. Lobo attacking.
Nice! Good pass!
Sige, baba na!
Good 15. Whipping the ball.
Cut!
Big right! Tingnan!
7, 6, 5.
Takbo!
Goes number 20.
Tulong! Kada to kayo, Kard! Baba!
21 to Torres for 3. Wala. Rebound by 24. Bumeke. Wala. That's the end of our first half. Score 23-17. Thank you. Tulog ng langit. Back to the ball game.
Box!
There's number 15. 3 points. He's back to the first 15. Number 45, sa kabila, sinagot, wala.
Baba!
Number 12, to number 5.
Baba! Kard!
Gula, number 5, 14 points, wala.
Atin na!
Long rebound by number 15, Ben. Pumeki si number 30, wala. Number 8, kumaliwa, wala.
Baba!
Ball. One number 5, to number 15, Ben. Good, Mark.
Yo!
Mark, number 30, Feliciano, tuloy ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number
Baba!
4. Pinasa ng number 8. Tuninho, Pumeke. Walang rebound by number 4. Got a nice foul player from number 4. Oyo. Bossing Oyo for 2 points. Gula, number 5, setting the play.
Kard!
Dito kayo.
Dalawa dyan.
Pinasa number 15. To Mark, libog-libog ng class. No good. Don't by number 15. Oh, Mark, ako na. Swingo.
Shot lock! Challenge!
Gula, corner 3. Wala, rebound by 3. Bossing Oyo in a hurry to number 10. 1-3 ball. And there's a foul. Sandali, wait. Foul number 15. Substitution. Ay, side.
Mag-ano lang tayo. Action na lang tayo. Next game po natin, semifinals, Sussex Warriors versus Epsom. Mag-ready na po.
Isa lang, Carl!
Kuya Mac!
No sub, no sub. Narilis na yung bola.
Nice!
Kaya pwede, sub, sub.
Abduan, hawak ang bola. Pinasakay ng
Huwag ka magpa-screen nyo!
Wala. Nakuha ang bola. Pinasakay Quinape, pero naagawan. Nakuha ni Mark ang bola. Pinasakay ka. Ito, number 5. Lumayap.
Nice, Dave!
Go, go, go!
Good, Dave!
Kalayo!
Oyo, posing Oyo. Goal by Oyo. Oyo. Number 15. Ang ganda ng pitch ng number 15. Medyo mahal yan.
Ato na, apat na yun, apat na! Apat na!
Next game natin, mag-ready na ha. Number 19. Pass to 24. Buenafe. Binigay kay 19 ulit.
Sure pass!
Ninyo, bumangga. Grabe yung violation. Napakalupit ng depensa ng East Green State. 15, pass to 21. Naghanap na papasahan. Pinasa sa number 5. Pinasa kay Tuan. Naghanap na papasahan. Dinodobol. Shot lock. Okay, Feliciano, tumira. That shot is brought to you by Kabayan Remix. Kung may pera ka, magpadala ka. Number 91, tumira, wala. Nakakuha nila Tuan. Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na to. Tito Mark, pinasa kay Feliciano, ang ganda naman ng pasahan pero hindi na convert. Nakuha nila ulit. Number 5, tumira ng 3 points. Wala. Ang ganda na sana ng connection. Parang Oyo, posing Oyo.
Nice shot!
Grabe yung Oyo maglakad, parang hindi napapakot. Ito makbo pala. 15, paso 21, Buwelta, paso, 2 points, grabe.
Dalawa ka ba, tatlo?
Buenafe, kano mo si Ron J? Puwepege, pinasa number 8, fade away. Wala, nakakuha ni Feliciano, pinasa kay Mark, pinababa ang bola. Naghanap na papasahan, pinasa si number 5.
Stop.
Substitution. Number 13, number 5. Torres, number 3. Abduan, pinasa kay Torres, number 3. Tumedra. Wala, nakuha ng Ready ka na po na. Number 15, puti na ng 3 points.
Wala!
Tumatakbo na, pre! Tumatakbo na!
That shot is brought to you by Kabayan. It's running time, kaya kailangan magkunin ng bola. Hindi tayo PBA. Oyo. Tumeke. Foul. Who's foul, right?
Penalty,
19.
penalty.
Ilang foul ni Tito Mark? First personal foul. Number 5. Pass to... Ano to? Number 8. Tumira. Wala. Nakakuha niya ulit. Sumide step. Foul! Who's foul? 19 again. Second personal foul. Mark Abdua.
Kuya, kuya. Dalawang time out na.
Pag second half, dalawa.
Lubo. Unang free throw. Pasok.
Isa pa, friend.
Ang galing. Salamat sa mga nagpunta, sa mga naki-join. Thank you po sa mga taga Red Hill at sa mga taga ibang lugar. Maraming salamat po. Sa ulitin po, pupunta po ang Ben and Ben.
Shooter tayo, shooter. Close out, shooter.
I-invite po na
Laban!
Time out po, ano? 5 minutes, kuya.
Nice! Uy,
Yes!
Yes!
Penalty!
Likod!
Atake!
Lugo. Pinasa sa number 5. Libre. Wow. Good foul, ref. 21. 10. No, sorry. 10. Substitution, ref. 19 out. 23 in.
Parang ang auditor kanina, sir.
Baba na! Final. Number 15, pinasa sa Teteliciano. Number 10, keeper, Amigo. Wow! Good foul, ref.
Ilan?
Number 10, number 8. Sorry.
Shooter! Wala, malapit talaga rin.
Labas mo. Nice.
Ako na, isa lang.
Ayan!
Baba! Sino? Si
Good game!
Time out! Wala. Time out kami.
Babawi.
Time out.
Time out! Baby goal.
White ball.
Number 15. Hawak ang bola. 21, pass to 15. Bring sa number 3. Ibalik sa 15. 15, tumira ng 3 points. Wala. Airboy. remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Likod!
Diyan ka lang yun, diyan ka lang yun.
Oyo. Number 4, leaving the ball. Pinas na number 24, Buenafe. Pinalik sa number 8, Pumeke. Pinalik sa number 5, wala. Nakakuha, nagagawad. Black ball.
Bang! Sayang.
Baba!
Nice rebound! Nice score.
Feliciano, hawak ang bola, binigay kay 21, pinap sa number 15, nilabas ulit.
Yo!
23, Feliciano, tumira ng 3, wala!
Dali!
Pumeke, tumira, wala pa rin, nakuha pa rin ang bola. Counted. Number 8, 4 personal foul.
Tatlo pa lang.
Malapit ka ng graduate.
Apat na daw.
Apat. Third team foul. Fourth personal foul. Third team foul ng Basic Stone. Last zero, pasok. Nice.
Sayang.
Torres, hawak ang bola. Tinitriple pala, hindi pala hinahawak. 21, number 15, sumalakpak. Wala!
Nice.
Go! Nagmamadali! Lumeas! 2 points! Need a translation. Ang galing naman ni Buenafe, parang
Invited ulit next year.
Oo, pwede. August.
Mythic na.
Ron J. Enrique.
Sarang, motion ko na.
Buenafe.
Yes!
Pasok pa rin.
One stop.
Number 3, Torres. Hawak ang bola. Ay, dribble pala. 21. Wala nang nababasahan. Bibigyan ng number 15.
Oy, nice!
Wala! Pinomba pa! Pasok! 2 points. Grabe naman.
Para.
Number 15 na yun, parang Samboy League. Pero yung laro, wala. Buenafe, pinasa kay Oyo. Naghahanap ng liwanag. Binigyan ng screen. Pinasa, kinit out. Lumo, tumira. Wala, nakakuha na number 21. Last.
No foul.
Pinasa kay 23. Last 2 minutes.
One stop.
Last 2 minutes. Ang response po natin, dito na yung 41, lamang po ang base. Wala niya po, sabi! Score po natin, deadlock, 41. 1 minute and 49.
Penalty.
Sana is Grinstead. Score po natin all 41 at ang oras po natin 1 minute and 38 seconds. Next game po natin, semifinals between EPSO versus Sussex Warriors. Second free throw ni Oyo. Unang free throw, pasok. Second free throw. Pasok ulit. Score natin, 41-43.
Baba na kayo!
Number 15.
Extend tayo, extend, extend!
Number 21. Buebuelo. Tira. Oyo, lang naman 43. 1 minute and 19 seconds ang oras. Natitirang oras. Anong gagawin mo?
Dito!
Black foul, number 24, Buenabe.
Sige lang, sige lang. Rebound tayo, rebound.
Penalty na, penalty na.
Di ba penalty ang penalty dito ka? 14 fouls. Second throw, pasok. Lamang po ng isang is great set. Ganda po na niyaman na to. Lubo, hawak ang bola. Number 8, Lubo.
Green!
Lubo, lumipad. Pinasa number 10. Libre, nakakuha number 5. Wala!
Oh, nice!
Torres, number 3. Hawak ang bola. Lumaya. Good foul ulit. 24. Pushing foul, number 24. Ang oras natin, 49 seconds. Ang score, 44-43 lang ang isa.
Kaya pa yan. Super shot tayo. Tanong madali. Natin. Penalty sila, penalty. Two shot.
Penalty na.
Penalty.
Earl.
Who's foul? 23. Penalty na po, penalty. Lamang ng dalawa is Greenstead, ha? Next game. Sussex Warriors versus Epsom. Mag-ready na po.
Technical!
Your English. Wash your mouth.
Sige lang.
Wala, pasok ba? Wala. Labang pa rin ang dalawa. Is Greenstead. Second throw, pasok.
One stop! Baba!
44, lamang ang isa ng East Greenstead. Number 21, hawak ang bola. Binigay yung number 15. Dalawa na, hawak. Tatlo bumabagay. Torres, hawak ang bola.
Lalam!
Pinasa kay
Lalam!
Del Mundo, pass to number 15.
Nice!
Nakagawa!
Nice! Gulong!
Number 3, 22 seconds.
Pal!
Foul. Upulang pa rin. Upo. Sit down. Relax. Upo ka.
Shoot, time out.
Penalty. Relax.
Shoot, time out.
Okay, time out na yung basic ito.
Tatlo pa. Time out kayo. Pag na-shoot.
Time out pag na-shoot.
Kuha!
Foul!
Hawak ang bola.
Oy!
Time out. Hawak daw. Pag na-shoot daw.
Uy!
Shoot mo, Pogi.
Sir, time out. Pag na-shoot daw.
Pogi, isa lang. Pogi, sige na. Pag na-shoot, pag na-shoot.
Pa-OT nyo to. Isang tres.
Huwag mo harapin ba?
Labang bulan tatlo. Ang ganda ng laban na to. Kabayan pa ang pala.
Penalty din naman.
Kung natin, lakas ng tatlo. Bola ng 22.
Nice pass, nice pass. Sai, ikaw tumira, Sai.
Nice. Siguradong rebound yan. Do you believe, James? Ay! Jump ball. Jump, jump, jump. Sino foul?
Two shorts.
Oyo. Waiting sa finals.
Sayang.
Next game. Sussex Warriors, mag-ready na at Epsom.